To increase brightness, start by accessing the TV settings menu via the remote. Navigate to the picture or display settings within the menu. Increase the brightness and backlight levels in the picture settings. Disable Eco Mode or Power Saving Mode to prevent automatic brightness reduction. Access the Apple TV settings menu to adjust video and audio output. Set the format option to 4K HDR if your TV supports this resolution for the best visual experience. Turn Match Dynamic Range to the OFF position to maintain consistent brightness. Turn Match Frame Rate to the OFF position to avoid frame rate fluctuations. In Accessibility, disable Reduce White Point to prevent automatic dimming of the display. Access your TV's settings menu to adjust HDMI input configurations. Navigate to the General or External Inputs section of the TV settings. Enable enhanced HDMI features like Enhanced, UHD, or Deep Color for the specific HDMI port used by Apple TV. Verify that a high-speed HDMI cable is connected to ensure compatibility with enhanced video settings. Deactivate Auto Brightness or Ambient Light Sensor to prevent automatic screen dimming. Disabling these features ensures consistent picture quality, unaffected by room lighting conditions.